When it's time to sell your home, you're likely asking, who should I hire? What's the best way to do this? The honest answer, there isn't one perfect way for everyone. The right choice depends on your timing, your goals, and your appetite for flexibility. I'm not here to say that one is better than the other. I'm here to show you the important considerations to make so you can choose the best route for your situation. There are quite a few ways to sell a home, and I want to share two of the most common and one you may not know is possible. The first and most common way to sell is the traditional listing. This is the Zillow and Realtor.com approach most people know. The home is listed with a listing price on the MLS, and it shows up on a bunch of websites. Buyers schedule showings, show up at open houses, and offers come in over time. It's great if your timeline is flexible and you don't mind navigating the contingencies like inspections and appraisals. The next option of selling is at auction. An auction is an event where bidders compete against each other at the same time. All of the bidders agree to a predetermined terms and conditions and compete on a level playing field. Since everyone is bidding at the same terms, the only variable is the price they're willing to pay. The property is often listed on the MLS and other websites and tells buyers when the auction will happen and how to bid. Auctions tend to appeal to sellers who value transparency, clear expectations, and certainty of when their property will settle. Oftentimes, executors of estates or powers of attorney choose auction because it's an easier way for them to manage the sale of the home. When there are multiple decision makers, auctions can simplify the process and lighten their burden. The third option, it's a hybrid of both auction and listing. And it's my favorite because it combines the best of both worlds. The key difference is how it's marketed as a traditional listing, but also has an auction date. It allows for pre-auction offers and some extra data to help you make the right decision. This hybrid option creates a sense of urgency for the buyer. If a spectacular pre-auction offer comes in, you can take it. If the data shows massive interest, we head to the auction floor to let the market drive the price even higher. Now, listing agents cannot determine a sale date like an auctioneer can. And auctioneers can't negotiate the sale of a property outside of the auction. But if your agent is also an auctioneer or will partner with the one, they can offer this hybrid method. Let's talk about data. If you're like me, you look at data when making decisions. And often the more data I have, the more confident I am when making a big decision, like selling a house. So if you decide on the hybrid option of both traditional listing and auction, you get more data. Here's how. If you list your house and it's a hit right out of the gate, I mean, you get a bunch of showings in the first few days and multiple pre-auction offers come in, I'd recommend letting the property go to auction and let the momentum build. Let the bidders compete in open and transparent bidding. Who's to say that a buyer won't bid one more time or higher than their best private offer price just to stay in the game? On the other hand, if you only have one showing prior to the auction, you might want to consider accepting an offer from that buyer since they are the only one that's interested in the property. Other decision factors to consider are the speed, certainty, and the price. These are trade-offs. You can't maximize all of these at once. Sometimes the highest price is most important. Sometimes getting the deal done quickly is the way to go. And sometimes knowing that the offer is a solid offer and the property will get to settlement is the most important thing, even if it's not the highest price. You get to decide what's important to you and your situation. Whoever you decide to help you sell your property needs to be on your team and align with your goals. The right strategy isn't about pressure, it's about fit. So, here are some important questions for you to consider. Is the timing important, or can I be flexible? Do I want certainty, or can I accommodate contingencies? Would I rather negotiate privately or let the buyers compete with transparent bidding? Am I making this decision alone or with family members? None of these questions have wrong answers. They're just questions to consider when determining the best way to sell a property. And how you answer them will help you determine the best strategy for you. If we can help you determine what's best for your situation by jumping on a call or emailing back and forth, please reach out. We're here to help. At HK Keller, we're a licensed auction company and real estate brokerage. It can offer traditional listings, auctions, and a hybrid strategy. That allows us to start with your goals and help you choose the approach that truly fits, especially for estate sellers, downsizers, and families navigating big transitions. The first step doesn't have to be a decision. It can simply be a conversation, one where options are explained clearly and calmly. That's how confident decisions are made.